Alright, ready?
Hooray for Cooper, hooray for Cooper. Someone in the crowd is yelling, hooray for Cooper.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Alright, we'll do Brandon now. Ready? Hooray for Brandon, hooray for Brandon.
And the crowd is saying, hooray for Brandon. 2, 3, 4. Yay! Now give brother a hug, Cooper. Give brother a hug and a kiss.
Alright, one more time without mommy laughing, okay? We'll do Brandon again. Mommy messed up. Hooray for Brandon.
Hooray for Cooper, hooray for Cooper. Someone in the crowd is saying, hooray for Cooper. 1, 2, 3, 4.